I created this course to remove the overwhelm, the confusion, and the frustration that can come from trying to figure out how to build a raised bed kitchen garden that you love, that's productive, that's successful, that's beautiful, and that has harvest after harvest after harvest coming your way each and every month in your garden. This course is laid out to guide you step by step through the process. In the first section, we are going to talk all about building your garden. I'm going to bring you fairly slowly through this process so that we make sure we cover each and every one of your needs, and we really think through the design and the layout of your space, as well as the budget and any other needs to consider before you start building. After we've got your raised bed kitchen garden built and ready to plant, we move to do just that, to plant your kitchen garden together. So first, I'll help you understand your seasons. I'll help you understand all the plants that love to grow in the kitchen garden. And then together, we will make planting plans and plant out your garden for the coming season. The final section of the Kitchen Garden Academy 2.0 is harvest. And this is when we focus on tending our kitchen garden, taking care of it, and maintaining its health season after season so that all of us get at least 52 harvests a year from our kitchen garden. We have a lot of resources to support you as you go through the course. There are downloads and PDFs to fill out and guide you as you go through each video. There's a place for you to ask questions under each video, and then there are live classes you can attend to ask your questions live and get an answer from a Gardenary coach and consultant. And I especially cannot wait to see the pictures, the videos, and the smile on your face as you harvest from your own beautiful kitchen garden.